Morning, everyone. It's a little after 8:30 on Thursday, and this is video 468. And it's Thursday, so it's claims day. We had initial claims up 53,000 to 898,000, so still below a million, but an increase and at a pretty high level to sustain. Continuing claims declined a little to 10,018,000. The Philly Fed index, which was expected to be at 15, came through at 32.3, so that's pretty decent. And Empire State was 10.5. I'm not sure what the expectation was there. Import prices up 0.3%, export prices up 0.6%. Import was pretty much in line, export was twice what was expected. In earnings news, we have Alcoa AA with a smaller than expected loss. The stock is still down 80 cents at 12.80. We had UAL, which was a missed top and bottom, but and by the way, they say they're running down 78%. So that's pretty ugly. But the stock is unchanged. Of course, it's been pretty much on the downside. Amazon has news that they've signed a deal for playoff games with the NFL. Anheuser-Busch, Bud. No real news, but the stock is 54.72, and that's down 261 on 4.5 million, but I could not find any headline for it. Morgan Stanley beat both top and bottom. It was slightly higher, then it was unchanged. Now it's down $1. Wells Fargo fired another 100 employees for fraudulent SBA applications for assistance. This company, without any question, has the worst reputation and the biggest number of issues with their employees. I can't believe what a toxic place that is. Okay, Walgreen Boots, WBA, beat top and bottom, up 2.2% at 36.70, up 79 cents. FSLY, which I mentioned last night, which closed last night's session down about 30 at 91 and change. This morning it has been 86. It's now 87.85, which is down 28.7. This is the cloud company that does an awful lot of business with the parent company from TikTok. And one that I've had here before, SPI, which is an energy company. And of course, they must have had somebody who was there since 1999, because they used the 1999 tactic of adding .com to their name. In this case, they initiated an electric vehicle subsidiary. The stock went from $1.05 to 46.67 in a day. Has fallen back to 5, but this morning is 14, up about 685 on no special news. Okay, the chart on the screen is the oil. We looked at it last night without this line, looked pretty constructive. Not so much this morning. This 39 area will probably hold, but as far as a move higher, just not yet. But if we could buy some of the maybe USO or UCO down here versus about 38.5 or 39, I think that would be a really interesting trade. The gold and the silver are both down. If you recall, gold was down 34, then it was up 13 yesterday, and today it's sinking again. Another one that is right at support, but I'm not sure what the catalyst will be. and the dollar gained a bit this morning. Let's see, up 39 cents, which is pretty impressive. We discussed this yesterday as being at support and looking like it could turn higher, and that's exactly what it did. So if we continue to get a little higher action in the dollar, undoubtedly the gold and silver will continue to weaken. And yesterday afternoon, because the CVS calls were down and our other position in the silver puts were up, I went in and bought some NASDAQ 100, the QQQ, puts at $2.85. They closed 267, but this decline this morning is pretty extreme and could follow through to, another 200 points. The futures are lower. They've been lower all morning. The Dow is down 327, the S&P down about 43, and the Nasdaq down about 175. All right, everyone. Good luck on the day. That was a lot of economic news. Didn't seem to help Asia or Europe yesterday, as COVID has become the issue again. So don't forget to hit subscribe and the like button. We really appreciate the support. Have a good afternoon, a good day, and I'll see you this afternoon.